Okay, what's up, everybody? I'm screen recording right now. If you didn't know that, I'm screen recording. That's the app I am using for right now. So right now,
I need some food.
I don't
I
know.
can't cook. I can get us some food on the way back. No, come on.
Drift.
It's gonna be at 7 o'clock.
This is a drift thing.
Is it from 6 to 7? The meeting's 6. I want to eat. I'm hungry. I'll give you some cereal. No. I don't have time to cook. I won't.
Okay, guys. Right now,
7 o'clock.
I'm just
Tyler.
going to
Have a snack.
play this
Y'all want
game.
some cereal before I go?
No, I had cereal. Okay. Now, start this thing. Okay. Ooh! I died, guys. Okay. Start. Pretty good at this game, guys. Oh! Alright, guys, I almost had it. Oh! Guys, I smashed again. Oh, man. So, here we go again. Start. So, let's go. Oh! I almost had this, guys. So, let's do this again, I guess. I'll do it again. Ah! Smashed again. Ooh. I'm gonna get it this time, guys. Trust me. Oh yeah, I forgot my intro. What's up, guys? It's your boy, Wilson. We're back on another video. And today we are playing Drift Thing, guys. And I forgot to do my intro. Whoopsies. This is the second video in one day. Ooh, nice. Ah, man, I thought it was one of the things again, guys. I guess it wasn't. So, let's start this thing again. That one just sucked. I'm sorry about that, guys. I got this, guys. You know, I got this. See, I already got this right thing. I'll show you again. See, guys, I made it number 10. Whoops, and I died. I'm trying to make it to the end. I think I can get it, guys. I don't know where the end ends. That doesn't matter. So, yeah.
How long was he in the little ball? How long was he in the ball?
Not that long, for about 10 minutes or something. 10 minutes or so. Not even 10 minutes. Oh, guys. I died again. So let's wait. We gotta keep doing it. Hey guys. Hello guys. Which car do you want me to put you guys in? There we go, guys. So right now I'm playing the drift game or something like that. My friend Kyler helped me do this. Now it's even better. I can do this now. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep playing this game till I die 2 times. 2 more times. This time and another time. Oh, I'm gonna beat it, guys. Ah, I almost had it there, guys. I cannot lie. So the next time I die, I have to go do something else. So here we go again.
What?
I'm focused a lot. This game, it's hard. Swear to God, guys, it's hard. Shout out to my friend Kyler for helping me do this. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, I'm done playing it. Now. Hey, Mama, look, I'm screen recording.
Yeah.
Put it on YouTube. So, should I go download something? See, there's the app right there. Do record, screen record video editor live. So, yeah, guys. Let me go to here. Let me make y'all a little bit smaller. I had to make y'all a little bit smaller for right now, but y'all ain't gonna be small for long. I don't know what people. Let's go do some reactions, I guess, guys. Let's just do some reactions on YouTube. You know, let's do some reactions, I guess. I can't find nothing else to do, so. See, video chatting Epic Kyler. That's my last video I made. So, yeah, guys. Hello, everybody? Do you see me? Hey, I'm gonna make y'all guys smaller. So, guys, do y'all see me?